Welcome to Goan Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता की तुमी सगळी बरी आसतलीं सावध आनी भलायकेन. तर today I'm going to show you again. It's a normal beef roast. Like I have got so many videos on beef roast, but again I will show you beef roast. This is undercut. So this is 1 kg undercut, nicely washed. And I had taken I purchased this from Delfino supermarket. So I took one piece of undercut, which was around 700 rupees for a big. So it was more than 1 kg, little bit of more than 1 kg. And so yes, I will make roast out of it. And for that, this is 1 kg of beef, undercut beef. You can take any cuts. And this all I need to grind. I've taken around 4 green chilies, 2 Kashmiri red chili, then 1 pod of garlic, this much of piece of turmeric. It's like 1 teaspoon powder if you want to. Then I have taken around 7 cloves, and these are like 1 teaspoon. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 4 of peppercorns. You can add less, more, it's up to you. Then 1 this size of cinnamon stick, and this is 1 teaspoon, heaped teaspoon of poppy seeds, that is khaskhas, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now this is what I will be grinding. And marination, I'll be using Goan vinegar, not much because I will use less. You can use more how you want. I will show you. Okay, so माझ्या बाबा भयणांनी आणि माझ्या इश्टांनी हांवें घेतला 1 किलो अंडरकट मसाला. हे 1 किलो गायचे मांस जे डेल्फिनून सुट्या घेतला पोरवरीम, आणि ते एका किलाकीन मातशें सुबेजा 600 रुपयांक म्हाका कितें पडले ते. आनी हांवें हो मसालो वांटपाक घेता. आतां 1 आख्खी बोय ऑफ लसूण, मागीर चोईस आमची मिरयां, 7 आमची लवंगां, आमी काला फ्राय म्हणटा ताका, मागीर येदी व्हडली आमची तिकी, मागीर हल्दीचे कुडके इतले, धाकटुशे 1 कुलेराचो पावडर तो एक्चुअली, 2 आमच्यो कश्मिरीच्यो मिरसांग्यो आनी 4 आमच्यो हरव्यो मिरसांग्यो, आनी 1 व्हडले कुलेर जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्टाचे घेतला, आले लसणाची पेस्ट, आनी हे 1 धाकटे कुलेर. ओके, आता धाकटे कुलेर म्हणजे टीस्पून तुमच्या घरान कोल्ली सायज आसा, टेबल स्पून तुमच्या घरान कोल्ली सायज आहा बाबा, ते तुम्ही उजार करात. Again and again I say that whatever measurement you all have in your house, just use that, make use of that. When I say teaspoon, तुमच्या घरान teaspoon असतले. When I say tablespoon, you all will be having a tablespoon. So use that quantity. Nothing. It will become very delicious if you cook this food with love. It will become very delicious. Okay. मोगान रांदशात सगळे बरे जातले. तर हे धाकटे कुलेर आमचे खसखस. ओके, तील न्हू हे, पॉपी सीड्स, हे पॉपी सीड्स खसखस. तर तुम्ही छोटे कुलेरा घेता ती अशी पोळून घ्यात आणि तुम्ही उजार करात. धाकटे कुलेरा, त्या कुलेराची सायझी हर टाइम चेंज जातोच असता. ओके, सो आणि आता हे वांटूया आणि हेंका इतून घालता मातशें. So let's transfer this. This will throw out. We'll add salt to taste. Salt मातशें So I've taken 2 teaspoons. Now put, like sometimes you get teaspoon of this size. So everything is like different. So teaspoon, tablespoon. हे तुमच्या घरामध्ये उजार करा. And only हांव आतां सुबेज घेयना, 4 घेता only. I'm saying 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Mix kariya. Now we'll grind that masala, then we'll apply to this. Let's add water and grind this. So very less water you add and grind this to a fine paste. So here is my masala. Tayaka. So we'll apply this nicely to this. बरे लावन घेऊन मागीर एका मातशें मॅरिनेट करून दवरया आनी मागीर जाय जाल्यार तुमकां डायरेक्ट भाजात हे अंडरकट पीस या तो कुकरान घालून शिजोयात फॉर अराउंड 4 to 5 सीटीज. We'll add little bit of oil to this, around 1 big tablespoon of oil, so that the masala goes nicely to all this. Okay, then we'll see you later. Let it get marinated. So now let's transfer this and we'll cook this. So these are 2 onions with this, a little bit of small piece of cinnamon, and baby. Chili like this. And now we'll put water and then we'll cook this. So it's like half cup of water. We'll cook this. So you can cook it in like closed, or you can use open pan, whatever. I'm using it by cooker this time. So I'll be doing 4 whistles for this. So first whistle will be on high flame, then I will make it low flame, and around 20 minutes I will cook it on low flame. So 4 to 5 whistles it should be done. So now here it is. Roast meat which is cooked. So I'm just serving this. Hope you all will enjoy this roast meat with your bread or whatever. And you can have it with chips or salad or whatever you want. Just enjoy this. And if anybody wants a sideway gravy, then you can just put this over here and enjoy dipping it. And then decorate this with my mustard. And some over here. So it looks nice, and so hope you all will enjoy this. See the mustards. It is very tasty. Try this combination. And do let me know how was it. Thank you so much. Hope you all will enjoy this, and do let me know how was it. देव बरें करूं. तर ही तुमकां जी आसा न्हू, ही आमची सांसवाची पानां धाकटुशी. आमी पळय गोट्यान केन्नाय घालताले ते रोवपाक, ती धाकटुशी बाजारांनी मेवता. हांवें हितूनली हाडला. तर मानता की तुमकां हें आवडटलें, आनी एन्जॉय करा. थँक्यू.